showing you all how to bring your headlights back to life. You know, as your car gets older, the lights get more dingy. You can see the yellow tint on these lights. It's yellow. So I'm just going to show you how to restore it using toothpaste. Okay, so you're just going to start off by putting the toothpaste on the lights. I'm just using the whitening Scope Crest Complete. You can use any kind of toothpaste, but this is just what I had. I got this on sale at my local Dollar General on the clearance sale. I think I got it for 25 cents. Okay, so you're just gonna start out by putting the toothpaste on. I'm just gonna spread it on. You can spread it on using gloves or with your hands. If you bougie, you use gloves, but I'm using my hands. You know, just spread it like that, like that, like that. All over the trouble area. The bigger the lights, the more toothpaste you're going to need. Yes, spread it just like that. Spread. Get it in there. Get it all over the lights. The lights make the car look more, you know, more clean. The lights make the car actually look more new when they're clear versus a car that has yellow lights. It looks more aged, you know. So y'all just spread that over the lights like so. Try not to get it on the paint. And I'm just gonna let this sit on here for approximately, like, I'll say 10 minutes. You know, you want to give it time to work. I'm gonna be using these Brillo Basics 9 count. I got them from my local Dollar Tree. So I'm just gonna start off with this, and I'm gonna dip it in my bucket of water. Get it wet. So I'm just gonna start from the top. Just want to scrub. Yes, you want to scrub so you can't scrub no more. Scrub it. You see how this rag is yellow? Getting all that yellow off. Scrub it. Put some elbow grease into it. Yeah. You want to get all that little yak off. All that little yak. Scrub it till you can't scrub it no more. You just want to do it in a circular motion. Scrub. This is gonna save y'all a whole lot of money. Dip it back in your bucket, like so. Get all the toothpaste off. Then you're just gonna scrub some more. You're gonna do it in a circular motion. Getting all that yellow off. If you have a lot of yellow build up on your light, you might have to do it more than one time. You can already see how clear it's beginning to look just by scrubbing it off. This hat only costs $1, so it is very good. Who wouldn't want to spend $1? Because you can use an old rag that you have in the house. But these are disposable if you want to use these. So I'm just gonna see what we're working with. So spray the water. And make sure you get it off your paint, because you don't want that paint to come off. Then you have another problem. You don't want that paint to come off of there. Do you see how clear that is? Make sure that you clean off all the toothpaste off your car. Because I don't know how this will affect the paint So that's it for this live video. If you want to follow me on YouTube, follow me at I Am Travis, write, comment, subscribe, don't forget to turn on your notification bell. Until next time, see ya.